The next 30 seconds. Side step jacks. 3, 2, 1. Start. Your arms shouldn't be straight when you raise them above your head. Half the time. Take a rest. The next 20 seconds. Punches. For 2, 1. Start. Fully extend your arm at each point. 3, 2, 1. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Cat-cow pose. Please make sure your knees are directly under your hips. Three, two, one, start. Please make sure your palms are directly under your shoulders. Half the time. Three, two, one. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Cobras. This is a great exercise to strengthen your back. Three, two, one, start. This is a great exercise to strengthen your back. Half the time. Three, two, one.